Haiku, good morning. Do please come to the table. This is our movable fridge crew. As you can see, our movable fridge moves responding to voice commands, and it also embedded sensor technology, so it can measure the distance, it maps out the room, continuously updates this map, and of course it recognizes itself within the map, so it can move around safely without bumping into anything.
That's good.
Wow.
I'm happy that I'm not run over by a fridge. So it's really convenient. Imagine you're having a home party. Imagine you're having dinner with your family. You don't have to get up from your seat anymore because who is bringing the food, is delivering the food directly on a specified spot. So you can fully enjoy your dinner and your party. And when you're done eating, it even carries away the dishes to the dishwasher. So that's really convenient, I'd say. Or when you're watching football, right?
So, yeah, that's really important. I mean, that's something for men, right? Have a look at this guy over there, he knows. If you're watching football, it's not already halftime, but you don't have any beer. You can just say, hey, please give me another bottle. Okay, perfect.
I'm a little tired. We should go sleep. We had a nice party and everything. But you have to do the laundry, darling. I'm sorry.
Who's your darling? Who are you talking to?
Someone from the audience.
Me?
No.
I
Yeah.
have to do the laundry.
Please.
Okay, so I can tell you in the future it will be really fantastic to do the laundry even for men. So please follow us over here to our kitchen. Doing the laundry actually takes so much